This is a love reading for the sun sign Capricorn from April to May. In this love reading, I will be doing a heart-shaped spread, where on my left are the cards for you, Capricorn, and on my right are the cards for your love interest, your partner, if you're married, then your spouse. Once I've seen how the cards are for Capricorns who are couple and are dating, I will remove the partner cards to only see what is the guidance for Capricorns who are single and are looking for love. If you were to write to me for a personal reading, I complete the heart for singles with the time spread, which is to know when is it likely you will meet someone nice and you will be in a relationship. Since this is a general reading, I cannot do a time spread. Also, in this reading, not everything will apply to all the Capricorns. Whatever will apply will vary in the intensity. So let us see what is the guidance for you, Capricorn. So first I'm asking is, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength or challenges you bring? What is the strength or challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have about the relationship or your partner in the future? What is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship in the future? What is the past you are coming from and what is the past your partner is coming from? And this is the overall guidance from Tarot for the love reading. So let us see how your cards are. Now, who are you? Capricorn, you're trying to get away from some pain, some conflict that has happened and has hurt you very deeply. You feel at some level there is a rejection. It's possible some loved one, someone from the family or a close friend has given you a lot to deal with in terms of conflict. So you are trying to get away from it. I'm also seeing there is a lot of pain in the situation. It's quite possible while you want to get away from it, it's not as easy as it looks. So you are fairly sad and you have a lot to deal with at hand. Who is your love interest? The good part is your love interest is your rock and you can share all your pain, your sadness and grief with your love interest. And to me it's looking like they are all ears and eyes and paying full attention to whatever you may have to say and calm you down. So there is a lot of affection and intimacy that your partner is offering you. So the good part is Capricorn, you're dating someone very nice and that's the very beautiful energy. But you have something at hand that you're dealing with. Now, what is the hope or fear? Sorry, what is the strength or challenge you bring to the relationship and what is the strength or challenges your partner brings? You both are very happy in the relationship because Capricorn, you totally see this relationship as emotionally intimate where you two are getting along with each other and more than anything else, you both are very good friends and there is a lot of sharing that you have that you do with each other. So this is a very beautiful energy. So your strength is you are a very balanced person and you give as much respect and love you expect in return. So your strength is while you may be going through a lot, you always bring on board an equal amount of love and affection to give to your partner. You both may have a very good rapport also. So it's telling me you both are quite happy with your relationship and overall there is this great rapport chemistry that you both share. So you feel very comfortable talking and sharing with your partner, Capricorn. What is the strength or challenge your partner brings? Well, your partner is someone, you may be married to a priest or you may be dating a priest. The cards are so good. It's just telling me this partner of yours is almost a saint. They hardly have a temper and so much love to offer. And the strength is they're very uninhibited and they are not at all inhibited. There is no hesitation in your partner. They're just living this good life of contentment, happiness, and they're living the bliss in the relationship. So, one good part is your partner knows how to be happy and they share this happiness with the world. So, there is not much that disturbs them mentally, really. And this is a very good, stable person to have in a relationship. Very beautiful energy for your partner. How do you see your partner? And how does your partner see you? So it's quite possible, Capricorn, you're married to this very stable, successful person, and you see your partner as someone who's exceptionally rich and well to do career wise. And you also know that this success did not come to your partner easy. So you have lot of respect here for your partner. So you really feel good that how well they are living their life and they have so much to enjoy for. And in return you have so much respect also that you give to your partner, that everything is really come together for your love interest. So a very beautiful way you look at your partner. So the good part is your partner is not just materialistically well to do, they're emotionally as much an angel and they're just happy and living a good life. Very beautiful cards here. Now how does your partner see you? Well, they see you someone very creative and with the immense potential to create great success for themselves. So your good part is Capricorn, your partner believes in you. They have immense faith in your ability. It's quite possible some of you Capricorn may be feeling sad or let down by certain things that happened at work or your career going not going so great or some business venture not taking off. So it's telling me your partner totally believes in you and is extending you a lot of strength and hope in going ahead. Also, there is a lot of chemistry and love your partner feels for you. So, the good part is while your partner has already got a lot of what they've worked hard for, it looks like you are yet to get your dues and your partner totally believes in you. So, there is immense lot of understanding and general faith in the relationship. So this is a very good impression your partner has about you, Capricorn. What is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner, and what is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the future? Now, somewhere, Capricorn, you feel there is a lot of work to do and you may have to really catch up with your partner in terms of how well they are doing materially or financially. You may just feel you may never be able to match the kind of status your partner has. Now this worry is a little bit unfounded because your partner doesn't expect you to match certain financial status or kill yourself with stress. So this expectation you may just want to correct it. But about the future you're totally positive and you do see a very balanced relationship, but you do feel that there will be a lot of stress in terms of trying to financially come to at par with your partner. So some of you may have that stress or fear that whether in future how the equation will be in terms of finances. What is the hope or fear your partner has about the future? Your partner is very hopeful. I am seeing pregnancy, family life, and getting everything that you both want from the relationship. So your partner is exceptionally positive. Now Capricorn, you need to work on your energies, because you see your partner energies are so solid and so strong, and they want this relationship to move ahead, and they are your rock in terms of emotionally, and they are very well to do. So Capricorn, you are in a great relationship. You may just not want to be too sad or too worked up about how the future will be. If you like this person and you have faith in him or her, you may just want to not feel so insecure, because your partner is very very convinced that this is the relationship to be in the future energy. Now what is the past you are coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? You have tasted lot of success, Capricorn, so you know when it means to be successful. So quite possibly maybe some success has eluded you, or it did not come as you had thought of. So in the past you know how to ride a success, how to do well, and it's just that temporary phase where things are looking little bit out of the order. But your past energies, you know how to create success, and you have done it before. So some of you may want to just connect back with how you had done things in the past. What is the past energy your partner is coming from? There is a great understanding your partner has, and I'm seeing they just wish the whole wide world lot of love and peace. So they are very very sorted. Your partner is very very sorted, and their past energies, there is absolutely no roller coaster doubt in their mind of what they want. They spent lot of time thinking, deliberating how and what of relationships, and now it seems it's all coming together for your partner. Now let us see what is the overall guidance from tarot for the love reading. One of you needs help in terms of starting out, or maybe health is not okay, or there could be help needed in terms of wanting to spend more time just to sort yourself out emotionally. And to me, it's looking like the person who needs the help is you, Capricorn, and your partner is absolutely capable of doing and helping you absolutely all right. So, if you want your partner's time, or you want them to help you financially or to get started, it's looking like it's all going to work out fine. And you are in a relationship with someone very very generous, so this relationship is going to go great lengths. Just have a lot of faith, Capricorn, in this relationship. This is a very beautiful set of cards here. So now I'm going to remove the partner cards to only look at how the guidance is looking for Capricorns who are single and are looking for love. First of all, be very practical about finding love. So it's good to have all the riches, it's good to have great set of friends. Everything is good. One thing you need to work on is, Capricorn, you should be very very practical when you come down to looking for love. To me it looks like you either become someone who takes care of all the expenses in the relationship, or you try to impress by throwing a lot of money. So you could be doing that wrong, because when you do that, you're already upsetting an equation. So I'm just saying that you need to put a bit more effort in trying to understand the person and keeping the equation equal. It's possible that you sometimes overdo the part of taking care of your partner or giving them too many tips or maybe an advice on how things should be done. Rather than that, you may just want to take a day at a time and as in how the situation comes. Because I'm just saying there is a mistake that you're making and you're feeling very bad about how things don't work out sometimes. Is there success waiting for you in terms of finding love? Totally. But you should just work on this energy to get it right. So this is how your love reading is, Capricorn, from April to May.